Hi. In this video, we will walk through our different support channels in Lexzur. Navigating to the support icon in the main menu is your first step to seeking assistance. You can raise a support ticket to request help from our support team. Whether you're encountering bugs, have questions, or want to suggest improvements. If you click on any of the options, you will be redirected to a dedicated page where you can enter your question, provide details related to the request, and have the option to attach any files or screenshots. Once you've filled in the information, simply press Send to submit your support request. Upon raising a request, an automatic ticket will be created, and you can follow up on it from the same portal. From the same icon, you can access our knowledge base by clicking on User Guide, and attend weekly training sessions which hold different subjects by clicking on Request Training. Furthermore, for real-time communication, you have the option to connect with our support team via chat. You can initiate a conversation with our customer service representatives for more personalized assistance. In addition, you can also contact us via email at any time at help@lexzur.com or support@lexzur.com. Our team is here to address your queries and provide assistance promptly. Thank you.